I'm gonna take you through a plank with tubing. So go ahead and set the tubing up underneath your feet in a wide stance. Now you can either have your thumb on top, I've got my thumb underneath, and you wanna make sure that tubing is right in the arch of your foot. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start to lift one leg at a time. The wider your legs, the harder it is. So you wanna focus on pushing into the ground and lifting. Now I'm really struggling to keep my legs wide. The tubing not only is pushing in, but you're resisting to the up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and change one of my feet, and we're gonna start to do a single leg donkey kick. This is another great way to challenge your plank. Keep your head, your hips, and your shoulders all in line. And for the last one, you're gonna do circles. Really big, slow circles. Take a nice deep breath in, we're almost done. Focus on pulling up on those abs. Hold that center position, squeeze your glutes. Come on in. 3 challenging planks with the tubing. Until next time.